Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to talk about my MT helmet. There seems to be a lot of love and hate out there for this brand, so I just thought I'll take a moment to let you know why I decided to buy the MT helmet, and been using it for almost a year now, so I'll let you know what I think about it, things that I like, things that I don't like, so stay tuned. So, first of all, when I decided to buy or upgrade my helmet, there were three basic things that I was very particular about. First of all, I wanted it to be ECE certified. I did my research, I just felt like I would want an ECE helmet around my head compared to a DOT or an ISI, it just felt more reliable. Secondly, I am not a big fan of sunglasses, and I did have the option to buy a tinted visor on almost all the helmets, but the problem with that is you can't ride at nights, and if you want to, you have to carry a clear visor with you, and this one seemed to have like the sun protector in it, so I can almost have a tinted visor with me in that way, so that just worked out well. And last, the visor was pin lock ready, and compared to an anti-fog visor, I am somebody who personally prefers a pin lock visor because I always have the option to just change the pin lock insert instead of changing the whole visor after it wears out and starts fogging up. So I just find it better that way until I break the visor itself or scratch it too much. I don't have to change it, and I think I've been pretty good with helmets, so I don't think I need to change one for quite some time. But yeah, those were the three basic reasons. These checked all the three boxes, and I did look at some other brands also for the same price range. By the way, I was looking at something between 5,000 to 7,000. This one costed me around 6,000 bucks roughly. But in the same price range, I did have other brands. I had LS2, I had HJC that I did go and see, and we're just gonna get to why I decided this one over any other brand. So it's just my personal opinion about what I wanted to give importance to, so probably might matter to you. Apart from that, the features that comes with these are kind of awesome. Like we already spoke about the sun protector and the pin lock ready visor. Secondly, I do like the way the ventilators are on this. It does have one ventilator at the bottom, one at the top. Both of them work very well. I did have similar ventilators on my previous helmets as well, but one of the places where this design goes wrong is when you have good ventilators in front, the air does come in, but there's no place for the air to go out. And the thing on this one was it does have a ventilator at the back as well, so it has air inflow, air outflow, so overall just feels very ventilated inside, which is a good thing for those summer days, and I always have the option to close it if I don't want it, so that was one good thing. Secondly, talking about the interiors, there's a couple of cool stuff in there. First of all, the wind deflector, this thing over here is very important, especially if you come into any situation where you have to ride with the visor open. You don't want the air gushing into your nose and the mouth, and makes it very hard to breathe. This just deflects it upwards, and when you're breathing, the environment still feels normal even if the visor is open, so that made sense. It does have the chin curtains, which was also important considering I do have my mic set up inside, I do vlogging, and I want the least amount of air in my helmet. So normally whenever I would record, I would shut off the ventilators. I do have the chin curtains, so overall it is pretty crisp when it comes to the recording of the audio quality. I like that, and the cushions are pretty good. It holds you very well. When I shake my head, I don't feel the helmet shaking anywhere. It's firmly holding me, so that is good. And it does have compartments for the earphone, so in case you do have a Bluetooth earphone, or if you want to put an intercom communicator to speak to other riders when you're riding, it does have the option, or does have a slot for the earphone, so it doesn't feel like something is pricking your ears. And lastly, it does have the slot for glasses. Like I already said, I don't like wearing goggles, I avoid them as much as possible. I carry one only if it's like a hot summer day and I'm going to be off the bike. But in case it happens that I need to wear goggles in case the inner sun protector breaks or anything of that sort, or in case in the future I have to wear specs, I don't think it'll happen. I like carrots, but in case that happens for any reason, I do have the ability to wear a goggle or my spectacles when I'm riding too. And all of these are kind of features that you would get on a premium helmet, and I was surprised to get all of these in my budget. LS2 and HJC also had a lot of these in offer. For a matter of fact, even Vega and Steelbird has all of these features right now. The overall feel of the helmet felt more premium in this compared to others. I mean, probably the higher models of those brands do have good quality features that this one offers, but when I was looking at this price range, when I would touch the wind deflector, this just felt more sturdy and strong. And the chin curtains itself, I found most of them to have like just like a thin transparent cloth that they use in Victoria's Secrets, but not good enough to block a lot of wind when you're on high speed. This one felt more thicker and just more confident about this than the others. So I ended up buying this one. There is something that I don't like about it though. That would be the sound itself. Normally when I have the visors open, it makes sure that the chin protectors work. I don't feel any wind or breeze on my face, or rather in my nose or mouth, making it difficult to breathe. But at the same time, my ears feel uncomfortable. It is very loud, and that's a problem. If you're into touring or if you ride a lot, you don't want a lot of wind noise because it will damage your ear in the long term. But my friend told me that he's got an intercom setup. I don't have one right now, so I'm not using the earphone slots. But the moment he got that set up, he seems to have a very less wind noise comparatively. So we'll see that when I get one. But for now, there's a couple of things I do. I'm somebody who likes to listen to mild music at a low volume when I'm riding. So I do have earplugs, and that kind of takes care of this problem. But when I'm not doing that, one of the other solutions I have is I normally ride with one of these. This is like a balaclava that you wear inside the helmet, and this works out very well because I do have another layer of fabric covering my ears. And at the same time, when I get down from my bike, looking at the current situation, you need to have a face mask on all the time, and it's just more comfortable. Now I don't have to pull out a face mask from my pocket and wear it every time I get down from my bike and go to buy something. I can just have this on, just remove my helmet, and we're still good. So probably I just like slap it on my face like so, and I'm all good to go. So yeah, if you don't have one already, you should have one. It does have a couple of benefits. First of all, it is overall very hygienic. You don't have to clean your helmet as much as you would if you use this, and you don't have your sweat and dirt sticking to your helmet every time you wear it. Everything stays with this. You just wash this regularly and you're all cool. So if you want to get one, you can buy one from any of your bike accessory stores. I will put a link in the description, an Amazon link that you can also use to buy it, so check that out if you're interested. And that was basically my reason for buying the MT helmet. And been a year now, I don't really have any issues. There was a situation where I had some extra money and I could have upgraded my helmet, but I didn't feel the need to upgrade this yet, so I ended up buying my riding pants instead. And that's a good thing, because if there was any issues with it, I would be more like, okay fine, I do have some money, let's just go get another helmet. And I don't think I want to do that yet. And looking at how things are going, I don't think I would want to replace or upgrade a helmet for quite some time now. In case anything else goes wrong, I'll definitely keep you posted. They say that it's not very good for high speeds and stuff like that, and if you take a fall, it won't protect you. I don't want to comment on that. It's actually a question that I don't want to find out the answer for, but in case there comes any experience that I have myself, or if I hear about something and if I feel that this actually worked at high speeds or didn't work at high speeds, I will keep you posted about that as well. So if you like what you see, hit a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you know somebody who's looking for a helmet, or who's somebody who is planning to upgrade, do share the video with them. It might just help them. It's an option that they can consider. And yeah, I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.